When it comes to finding top-notch interior designers in Shimla, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the name that stands out. With their years of experience and expertise in the field, they have established themselves as one of the leading interior design firms in the region. Their commitment to excellence and attention to detail sets them apart from their competitors. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of interior design services to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of their clients. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, their team of talented designers is equipped to handle any challenge. They believe in creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other interior designers in Shimla is their ability to understand the unique requirements of each client. They take the time to listen to their clients' needs and desires, and then translate them into beautiful and functional designs. Their attention to detail ensures that every aspect of the project is carefully considered and executed. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in using the highest quality materials and finishes in their projects. They believe that every element of a design should be of the highest standard, from the furniture and fixtures to the lighting and accessories. This commitment to quality is evident in their finished projects, which always exceed their clients' expectations. If you are looking for interior designers in Shimla who can transform your space into a stunning masterpiece, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise, attention to detail, and commitment to excellence, they are the ideal choice for any interior design project. Contact them today to discuss your vision and see how they can bring it to life. Experience excellence in interior design with SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. Get personalized solutions for your residential or commercial project in Shimla.